Look, if you're new to Auto Simple DIY, well, you tuned into the right place. I'm your boy Mustangmarc. That's what I go by. Marcus, Mark, whatever. But you better say Mustangmarc. But no, if you are just tuning into my channel, hey, thank you for clicking that search button. Found me. Well, Auto Simple DIY is pretty much everything. I'm a car enthusiast, car enthusiast, and I'm hoping you are too. Anybody who's looking for any type of knowledge or whatever, with my automotive experience, being a shop owner, have my automotive degree, and also just day to day helping family out and all that stuff, fixing cars and all that stuff and everything. So thanks for tuning in. We got car reviews coming. Eventually, it's gonna be me driving cars and reviewing cars like that. Just, I mean, I had to talk to my uncle or whatever, somebody I know that might have a car dealership, or whatever. But be tuning in. Let's have some fun. Like I said, I be saying in my videos, I'm here for y'all. Uh, and by supporting this channel, I can create bigger and better content. And the fact is, help this channel grow will help you grow because I can bring more information, more cool stuff. And the fact is, like I said, Mustangmarc out. I'm here for y'all. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure you subscribe because a lot more to come. I'm trying to focus on the camera right here, but when you look at your face, it's hard to do this. Look at the camera, dude. Look at the camera. Oh yeah, I got no filter. I do me. You know what I mean, so don't judge me. Mustangmarc out.